Hi everyone, welcome back. You need to send an important document but you don't have a scanner. Don't worry, your phone can do it easily and for free. You don't need a big scanner or some complicated apps. Some people install apps like CamScanner, but it takes extra space, shows ads, and many features are not completely free. The good news is you don't need any extra stuff like this. I'm gonna show you how to do this on both Android and iPhone. On Android, open the Google Drive app, tap the plus button at the bottom right, then tap Scan. Now point your camera at the document. It will automatically detect the paper, crop it, and clean it. Now here you can enhance it, can add filters, crop it, and rotate it. Now tap Next. Here if you want, you can rename it too. Tap Save and it will save to your drive. Your scanned document is ready. Now open it. Tap the three dots and now here you can share it through WhatsApp, email or any other app and can download it too. Now for iPhone, on your iPhone, open the Apple Notes app, tap the new note icon and select Scan Documents. Now point your camera at the document. It will automatically capture it and crop it. Now tap Save and your document is ready. Now tap the share icon at the top and send it anywhere you want. And that's it. No scanner, no extra apps, no headache, just your phone, a few taps, and your document is ready to send.